Welcome to our channel, where we unveil the secrets of Forex trading. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of Forex and reveal powerful strategies that will help you become a successful trader. So, let's get started. The Forex market is the largest and most liquid financial market in the world, where currencies are bought and sold. To succeed in Forex trading, it's crucial to understand the secrets that professional traders employ. The first secret we're unveiling today is the importance of mastering technical analysis. This involves studying charts, identifying trends, and using indicators to make informed trading decisions. By analyzing historical price data, you can identify patterns and predict future market movements. The next secret is to utilize trading indicators effectively. These tools, such as moving averages, RSI, and MACD, provide valuable insights into market trends, overbought or oversold conditions, and potential entry or exit points. Understanding how to interpret and use these indicators is a game changer in Forex trading. Another secret is staying informed about economic news and events. Economic indicators, such as interest rate decisions, employment reports, and GDP figures, have a significant impact on currency prices. By keeping track of these events, you can anticipate market reactions and make timely trades. The fourth secret is maintaining a trading journal. Tracking your trades, including entry and exit points, the reasons behind your decisions, and the outcomes, helps you identify patterns, strengths, and weaknesses. A trading journal allows you to learn from your experiences and refine your strategies for consistent success. And now, the bonus secret: effective risk management. It's crucial to have a solid risk management plan in place. This involves setting stop-loss orders to limit potential losses, determining your risk tolerance, and avoiding over-leveraging. Remember, protecting your capital is key to long-term success in Forex trading. To recap, the secrets we've unveiled today include mastering technical analysis, effectively using trading indicators, staying informed about economic news, maintaining a trading journal, and implementing a solid risk management plan. Now that you're armed with these Forex trading secrets, it's time to apply them and take your trading skills to the next level. Stay tuned for more valuable tips and strategies on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, so you never miss an update. Happy trading!